Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable Revit MEP company located in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and expertise in the field of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, MEP, design, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. The company offers a wide range of services related to Revit MEP, including design, drafting, and modeling. As a leading Revit MEP company, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of delivering high-quality and accurate design solutions to its clients. The team of experienced professionals at the company utilizes the latest software and technology to provide efficient and innovative MEP solutions. Whether it's designing HVAC systems, electrical layouts, or plumbing systems, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that every project is executed with precision and attention to detail. One of the key strengths of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is its ability to customize its services according to the specific requirements of each client. The company believes in collaborating closely with its clients to understand their needs and deliver tailored solutions that meet their expectations. This customer-centric approach has helped Scon Design India Pvt Ltd build long-term relationships with its clients and establish a strong reputation in the market. When it comes to Revit MEP services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a comprehensive range of solutions. From initial concept design to detailed engineering, the company handles every aspect of MEP design with utmost professionalism. The team at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is well-versed in industry standards and regulations, ensuring that all designs are compliant and optimized for maximum efficiency. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading Revit MEP company in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With their expertise in building information modeling, BIM, they offer comprehensive MEP design and coordination services using the Revit MEP software. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of highly skilled and experienced engineers who are proficient in using the latest technology to deliver high-quality MEP solutions. As a Revit MEP company, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of accurate and efficient MEP design and coordination in the construction industry. By utilizing the powerful features of Revit MEP software, they are able to create detailed 3D models that integrate the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems seamlessly. This helps in minimizing clashes and conflicts during the construction phase, resulting in cost savings and improved project efficiency. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd not only excels in MEP design and coordination but also provides a range of other services such as energy analysis, lighting design, and sustainability consulting. Their team